Hi everyone, I'm Prachi and welcome back to Sublime Life's YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all the things skin, hair, makeup and more. Are you annoyed with your makeup washing away in this scorching summer heat? And sweating on top of it does not help at all. No need to worry, these simple hacks will get you ready for the summer for that all-natural glowy look. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and on that note, today I'm going to be sharing these little tricks which can take away all the trouble and keep that flawless look throughout the day. So let's get into it. So the first one is start with the right moisturizer. I can't emphasize enough on how important it is to get your base right. Getting your base right is the ultimate key to keeping the makeup long lasting. It is also important to keep your skin hydrated even in the summers, otherwise you will end up with a cakey base for sure. And as much as it is important to keep your skin hydrated, it is also important to select the right moisturizer for your skin. And as you know that it gets sweaty in the summers, you need to look for a moisturizer that is matte or a gel based. We absolutely love the Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer. This is a lightweight, fast-absorbing moisturizer and is suitable for all the skin types and helps balance your oil production while keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. So the second one is sun protection. Besides from moisturizing, it is also very important to keep your skin protected from the harsh rays of sun in the summers. And here's a little quick hack for this one. You can opt for a tinted sunscreen instead of a normal sunscreen. Tinted sunscreens are best suited for summers as it protects as well as gives you a foundation like tint, and it also gives you an even toned skin. So while selecting the sunscreen, always look for a minimum of 30 SPF and a broad spectrum protection. We absolutely love the Pink Foundry's Matte Moisturizing Mineral Sunscreen, which gives you natural looking coverage with a creamy mousse-like texture that blends effortlessly. So the third one is a lip and a cheek tint. In summers, look for products which can give you multiple functionalities. Well, a lip and a cheek tint is the solution for this one. They can uplift the look of your face and can give you that natural glowy flushed look. Also in summers, try and avoid the creamy or powder blushes as it can look greasy or may end up feeling greasy on your skin. For this one is Ilana Bead Cheek and a Lip Tint that has a watery stain-like texture. As the name suggests, it is a lightweight, easy to apply tint both on lips and cheeks due to its water-based formula. Just apply it on your high points of the cheeks and lips to get that pink flushed look. So the next one is waterproof eye makeup. Don't let sweaty summers keep you away from experimenting with your eye makeup. Always look for a waterproof mascara and a waterproof eyeliner as eyes water in general. We would recommend going for a waterproof eye makeup as we don't want to end up with watery eyes and a smudged mascara. Our pick for this one would be the Plum All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. It is 100% vegan and a gel-based kohl. It won't smudge all day long, be it summer sweat or a crazy rain. You can use this one as an eyeliner or you can use it as a kohl. It's up to you. Last but not the least are setting powders with SPF. Setting powders are godsend. They ensure all your efforts of actually putting makeup stays in one place. And having SPF 2 in them is not only a bonus but a saving grace, as reapplying SPF with makeup can always be tricky. It's also super easy on the go too. We absolutely love the Sundiva SPF Top Up Loose Powder, which has lightweight formula that comes with a sponge and is super easy to apply. It comes in 4 different shades too, so there's one for everyone. During the summers, always remember to keep your makeup minimal. Less is more, guys. If you guys have any of your own tricks and tips which you've followed through over the years, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.